toc, tic, toc, tic, toc, tic, toc, tic, toc, tic, toc, tic, toc, toc, tic, tic, toc, tic, tic, toc, tic.
Hey, in case nobody's asked you this today, are you okay? Are you really fine? I mean, you know it's okay to feel the love sometimes.
It's alright that you don't want to smile. You don't need to explain bad moments away, Will.
Toc, tic, toc, España. Hola amigos, Cristiano Ronaldo is coming to end it all. We have done it! We have finally done it!